Hello! Magandang araw mga ka-steel. So ito yung ating steel tips para ngayong June 2, 2025. Yan, unahin natin ang Ilocos Sur, 6 Gs, Benguet, 2538, Aurora, 85, Camsur, 3639, Romblon, 29.3, Sorsogon, 37 Pumpiang, Negros, 22.33, Apayao, 33.11, La Union, 13.31, Nueva Vizcaya, Pumpiang 8, Ifugao, 29.23, Baguio, 12.13, Nueva Ecija, Gis 30, Aurora, 35.34, Pampanga, 6.22, Cavite, 36.27, Rizal, 21.4, Quezon Province, 37.12, Laguna, 13.24, Batangas, 18.2, Cagayan, Pumpiang 36, Puerto Princesa, Pumpiang 14, Albay, 7.34, Pangasinan, 16.17, Las Piñas, Pumpiang 4, Catanduanes, 38.8, Quezon City, Pumpiang 36, Monte, Pumpiang 25, Camarines Norte, 5.8, Ilocos Norte, Pumpiang 17, Marinduque, Pumpiang 7, Bulacan, 2.20-29, Pasay, Pumpiang 8, Caloocan, Pumpiang 38, Kalinga, 22.11, Tarlac, Pumpiang 3, Isabela, 20.24, Oriental Mindoro, Pumpiang 19, and Occidental Mindoro, Pumpiang 6. Good luck mga kaloto, ka-steel.